Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I wish I give you a lot of useful information for the time you spend here. I'm going to discuss about Vestige Dew Garden series of range of products. In today's world, women are challenging men and they're proving their capacity and capability in every industry. But, but due to their biological nature, they have to go through menstrual period time, which gives a lot of stress and inconvenience for them for over a period of 30 to 35 years in their age. In their whole life, average, they have to spend around 500 periods to go through that cycle time. That is one of the stressful period where they have to face a lot of challenges. Currently, many women use sanitary napkins, but you will be surprised to know that not even 10% of the women in India are having that access to proper sanitary napkins. For those women who even use those napkins, still they have a lot of issues which they don't know, they are not aware of. The reason is these sanitary napkins are made of plastic material which are having so many chemicals. Over a period of long-term use, they cause gynecological problems, STDs means sexually transmitted diseases, itching, redness, inconvenience, irritation, stressness. Vestige Dew Garden napkins, center napkins are by far a lot of standard high quality product compared to any leading brand in the market. These have multiple benefits which I'll just explain to you and you can decide. For an average woman, during the menstrual period, menstrual flow is around 20 to 40 ml. They have to change these pads for 2 to 4 hours, every 2 to 4 hours. And these pads will be leaking. They cause inconvenience, irritation, and the fluid that comes out is a good source of bacterial growth. And when this liquid flows back, that leads to many gynecological problems. When they are working or traveling, when this liquid comes out of the pads because of squeezing, and it causes a lot of further complications in the long run. It is not possible to change frequently. Vestige Dew Garden sanitary napkins have high absorbing capacity. They have gel form. As soon as the liquid comes into the pad, it is converted into gel form, preventing backflow. Thus, lot of further complications are controlled. While leading market products cannot handle even 40 ml, these pads handle up to 200 ml also. Even heavy menstrual bleeding also they can handle. It does not allow the liquid to come out of the pad. No leakage. Like in the market products, these pads are made of pure cotton like cloth material. They are of surgical quality, surgical sterile quality. They don't cause you any pain, irritation, redness, itching, all those symptoms. These pads are made of 8 layers of cotton to protect yourself. They have pores to allow airflow, thus no irritation occurs. But the liquid does not come out because it is converted into gel form. Each and every pad is separately airtight packaged so as to prevent contamination from virus and bacteria. It is very tightly sealed. You can check in a demo, if you press also, liquid does not come out because of the gel form. One more unique feature in this product is there is an anion chip which releases anions, which you generally find in mountain areas and sea areas, where you feel very peaceful, stress-free, calm. Because of this release of anions, lot of stress is reduced. You feel very refreshed and calm. This is very special technology. It's a great product which is introduced in this product. There are many women who have so many family issues also because of this bleeding issues. They have to visit hospitals frequently. Problems, collisions, discussions with the family members, spouse, causing a lot of stress. FIR, far infrared rays, also released to give additional stress relief. This is a great product which every woman should take advantage of given the latest technology, and every man should give this product to the woman they take care of and love. These products are not available in the regular shops. This product is made by Vestige company, network marketing company. Once you join, become a member of this company, you get a 10 to 20% discount on the MRP rate. Not only this product, company has around 350 range of products. It covers everything for everyone, all the range of products like home care, oral care, like kitchenware, cooking oil, hair oil, shampoos, deodorants, everything. Personal care range, oral care, cosmetics of high quality, health supplements like neem. You know, neem is very good, but you don't find time today to take it. Company is providing you the high quality ingredients in a capsule form, so you can get the benefit of neem. Similarly, so many products are there, health supplements, which can protect your health to prevent a doctor visit up to 99%, and you can reduce the cost of healthcare. Cosmetics are also manufactured with great care. They are free of parabens, sulfates, chemicals. They are not tested on animals. They are halal certified. Farmers also have a lot of wonderful products to reduce their fertilizer level to get a great yield of the crop, quality wise, quantity wise. All these products you no need to go anywhere. Company has around 6,000 branches all over India and across 10 countries and still expanding. All the products are available everywhere, from soap to water purifier, air purifier. Wonderful products are there. You can contact me how to join as a member and how to get the products for further details. And once you join, you will get 10 to 20% on MRP discount, and you'll be having cashback on the purchases you make. And there are consistency offers where every month when you are purchasing you will get extra benefit. And if you use all these offers given by the company, you are getting high quality products at great discount prices which beat even the market prices of many competitive products. As I said, Vestige is network marketing company. When you tell the benefits of a product which you felt happy to your friends and relatives, you are not going to get any benefit. Like the company is not going to give you any extra benefit or discount or offers. But here, when you use the product, when you share the benefits you got, and you when you join new members under you, you are going to have huge benefits, lot of income wise. Company has travel fund where once you meet certain levels, as your business under you grows, you are going to benefit for travel fund and going to travel Asian countries, European countries every year twice along with your family, the cost of the company. And there is a car fund available at above star level where you can get lifelong car fund. and you can buy any number of cars with that fund. There are many people who bought luxury cars, 1 crore 80 lakhs, like that also. Even small cars, there are so many hundreds of people who bought small cars, 10 to 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs cars. Many people are there. And there is a house fund also, where you can buy your own house. When you are a consumer, you get the benefit of best quality products at competitive prices with high quality to protect your health, prevent healthcare costs. And if you understand the business plan, if you promote the products, if you increase your team members, you will get all these extra benefits like multiple secondary source of passive income, and you can enjoy foreign tours. You can get cars, house fund, everything, whatever you want in your life, company has taken care of. You get health, you get wealth, you get recognition. Lot of recognizing events are conducted where you will be felicitated when you improve your network, improve your capability to help others. Today, cost of healthcare has increased a lot. We cannot help everyone around us from our pocket. But here we have a range of products where you can help them prevent their health issues, and we can generate a lot of money for them. A lot of pain we can reduce. You can start as a pastime. No need to leave whatever you are doing in whatever profession you are. You can just take up with this as a part time. Gradually understand the business. So once you feel confident and interested, then you can later on, if you want, you can pursue full time or part time also. There are doctors and national level banking sector leaders who have achieved great targets in the national level. They quit their jobs and came here because of crime freedom, financial freedom, recognition, mental stress having reduced. If you are happy where you are, you can do as a part time and help others to achieve their health issues, health targets, and financial targets. And if you want, if you are in need of money, you can take up this as a business. Part time starting, I prefer. I'll give my contact number, relevant information in the description. You can check out and contact me. We can do from anywhere in India and all over 7 countries where our company is expanding. This is an Indian company which is doing international business. We have to understand that. If you need to develop all these products and maintain the infrastructure, develop these so many shops across country, you need a lot of investment. And to take a franchise, you need to spend lakhs of rupees. But without investing any of that, any of risk, you are just having an opportunity to build a great business, international business. As you grow in the business, you will become a celebrity, you will become a star, a lot of recognition, like Amitabh Bachchan, like Sachin Tendulkar. So you are going to become a celebrity. So change your shop, change your life. Wish you well, prestige. I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye bye.